This video explains how to perform table line inspection. As shown on the screen, this is the label used for the demonstration. To perform table line inspection, the line inspection module is required. Add the line detection module from the left menu bar. Adjust the line detection module so that the inspection area covers the entire table. After the selection is completed, start configuring the properties of the line detection module. The first parameter to set is the line length. Click the line detection module to view the properties on the right side. Click the zoom icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Hold the Alt key and scroll the mouse wheel. Check the line width and the length. The line length is approximately 10 millimeters. Therefore, the line length property can be set to 7 millimeters. The line width is approximately 0.4 millimeter. Therefore, the line width property can be set to 0.3 millimeter. Enable blemish inspection. Set the NG threshold to 0.05 square millimeter. Click Advanced Settings. Set Ignore Edge to 40. The above settings are completed. The blemish inspection module configuration is now complete. Click Start Template. Enter the printing interface. Input print jobs for 2 normal labels. Then input a print job containing line defects. Return to the inspection interface. The third label is detected as defective and triggers an NG alarm. This is because the table line contains line defects. The line defect area is shown on the interface in square millimeters. The first and second labels pass inspection with OK results. The third label inspection result is NG. This concludes the table line inspection demonstration.